Hey everybody, this is Matt Bowers, Director of Building Science with the Oros Group, and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on moving component libraries from different versions of FLIXO and even to share with other members of your team. So right now I've got a brand new version 8.2 file open, and you can see here in my Components tab that I have just the baseline components that have been given to us with the FLIXO program. What I want to do is I want to bring my component library that I had created in version 8.1. And so I've got a section of common components over here. And there are a number of windows that I commonly use in my energy modeling that I had saved as components in 8.1, and I want to bring those components over to my version 8.2. And I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. So the first thing you want to do is open FLIXO 8.1. All right, and what we need to do is we need to export our component library. And this procedure is going to be the exact same if you've got a material library that you've created or a boundary condition library that you've created, and you want to transfer all of that information over to your brand new version 8.2. So we're going to go up here to Settings, and we're going to go to Databases. And over here is where FLIXO is pulling all of your information from your templates, from your material database, your boundary condition database, and your component database. And what we're going to do is we're going to back this up. All right. All right. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Start. And we copied all of the directories. We're going to close that. We're going to say OK. And we're going to close out of this FLIXO, and we're going to open up FLIXO 8.2. So you can see that the component database hasn't been updated. We are going to just reference that export. So we're going to go to Settings. We're going to go to Databases. We're going to go to our component database. And what we're going to do is we're going to find that file that we just created. We're going to open it. And we're going to hit OK. And there are our common window databases. Hope that helps everybody. Have a great day.